Reggae bro. Hold it for me, like it, Juggling. Hey, 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 hey. Watch the man. Rastafarian. Yo. Pull up. What do you want? What's the man? Hey. Hey. What's the man? Mamale. How we doing? What's the man? Male. We're in Vegas, baby. Oh, we in Jamaica. Where are we, man? Where are we?
How you doing, buddy?
What's up, my brother?
What are you doing, man? You doing the
Salam and Demina.
You doing the
Salam and Nani.
You doing the Ethiopia?
Demina and Nani.
Yeah, I see you.
Eskesta, baby. Oh, Mamale. Let me do it, Juggling.
Oh, you know how we go. When Q-Boy in the house, yeah? Hey. Bloop. Watch the man juggle. International. From Ethiopia to America. Hey. Bloop. Watch the style when man flex. Watch the style, yo. Hey. Yeah. Original Teddy Afro. Watch the man sound.
Teddy Afro, my man. Teddy Afro. Vegas, baby.
What's up, Ross?
Blessed up, King. How you feeling, man?
What did I need?
Yeah, Q-Boy. How are
What's the name?
Q-Boy.
Yeah.
Blessed up,
I
man.
remember you. I'm Jamaican Gold.
Oh, the bomber clad number one.
I know.
We know justice.
Hollywood. Hollywood, man. But at the Hollywood Canteen.
That's it, man. There you go.
This is Bob David. He run the Reggae spot up on Friday.
Oh, we coming, man. We coming. We here. People stop destruction. That you on, my brother?
Extreme music. Started on Corey X.
Right, just in Vegas. There.
Man.
You understand? The maddest selectors out of Jamaica right now living in Vegas.
Vegas, baby. Ethiopia, baby.
Alright?
Reggae, baby.
Reggae all night, all day. We're there. Yeah.
Jamaica, baby.
That's it.
Teddy Afro.
That's it.
Bob Marley. Ziggy Marley. See, one, two. Come on. Sashimale. Ethiopia. Teddy Afro, man. My brother. Ziggy. Love, brother, love.
We came from the nice.
Nice vibe. So what's this? You got, where you find this guy? Where you find him? What the hell? Teddy Afro, man. Teddy Afro, man. Teddy Afro.
Hold on, before you forget that. You pulled up like you a gangster, man.
Yeah, brother. From the East Coast, man.
Where you from, man?
Addis Ababa.
What?
Addis Ababa.
What the hell is that?
Ethiopia.
That's where you from?
No.
Where you from originally?
Near Boston, man.
Okay,
Yeah. Guys, thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you, my brother.
Yo, Cool Boy, when you're in LA, JamaicanGold.com.
Okay.
Remember that.
What is it?
JamaicanGold.com. When
Tell me all your sites. Tell me how we can reach you.
Just Facebook, Core Extreme, at Facebook. All
Tell the
right?
whole country. Hey, this goes on. This might go to the Travel Channel, guys.
We going, man.
No, this might go to the Travel Channel. I'm famous, man. I swear to God.
When you roll with Doug,
I got radio stations calling me every month. They call me every month. This might go to Travel Station. Rasta baby. See you guys. Thank you. Thank you, my brothers. You want to say a shout out to anything, guys?
Yeah, man.
This might go to the Travel
my name
Channel.
is Bob David, Ropo Entertainment, Las Vegas, Reggae Music, 2011. You got me on camera. Hello, world.
All right, guys. Thank you, man. Vegas, baby. Teddy Afro. You heard it. Juggling Taxi News. 6'8", 6'7". This is Daniel Mann with Teddy Afro. He's Cab.